Hydraulic hoists are commonly used for construction, mining, equipment, mobile cranes, and dump or garbage trucks. However, current industry steel materials has excessive weight, requires more maintenance and downtime, complex to assemble, and increased manufacturing costs. Which is why we created the Composite Telescopic cylinder to provide a simple, cleaner, lighter alternative to current hydraulic hoists. This device incorporates multiple cylinders made from composite materials, which runs on any kind of fluid or compressed gas. Simply assemble into multiple stackable tubes, with no welding, machine needed, and less maintenance and downtime. It weighs approximately a third of the steel cylinders, weighing approximately 800 pounds, while the composite cylinders weigh 260 pounds. It is more environmentally friendly, with carbon capture potential and new recycling technologies, thereby radically reducing carbon footprint and revolutionizing the future of the industry.